Understanding rolling boil, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English cooking term, rolling boil. This phrase is often used in recipes and cooking shows, and understanding it can help you become a better English speaker and cook. So, let's dive in. Rolling boil is a term used in cooking to describe a specific state of boiling water. When water reaches a rolling boil, it's bubbling vigorously with continuous steam. This is different from a simmer, where the water is just starting to form small bubbles. Understanding this difference is crucial in cooking. A rolling boil is easy to identify. You'll see big, fast-moving bubbles covering the entire surface of the water. There's also a lot of steam and the water moves rapidly, almost as if it's rolling over itself. This vigorous boiling ensures even cooking, which is essential in many recipes. Many recipes require bringing water to a rolling boil. This is often the case for cooking pasta, blanching vegetables, or making broths. The high temperature of a rolling boil cooks food quickly and evenly, making it a key technique in various cuisines. Achieving a rolling boil is simple. Start by filling your pot with water and placing it on high heat. As the water heats up, you'll first see small bubbles, simmer, and then the bubbles will become larger and more vigorous, indicating a rolling boil. Remember, it's important to adjust the heat as needed to maintain this boiling state without boiling over. That's all about rolling boil. Remember, it's a full, vigorous boil with big bubbles and lots of steam, crucial for many cooking processes. I hope this video has been helpful in your English learning and cooking journey. Happy cooking and learning!